You seriously letting me go? My father just passed away.
Well, then it should be pretty easy to cremate him because you're fired.
Wow.
You get it?
Yes, I get it.
And look, if the flame starts burning out, you could chop up some wood and throw it on there because you just got the axe.
Okay, I understand this is a business, but I don't understand how you could be so heartless.
I'm not heartless. And a doctor can confirm that because unlike you, I've still got insurance.
Seriously, now I have to worry about that.
I ain't Obama. And I don't care.
You know what? You can go to hell.
You could suck my unsalted nuts. Oh, here's your last employee review. You're gonna get a lawsuit. You know what the worst part's gonna be for you?
What?
When you go to the grocery store. You look around, you see all these people with fresh food. But what are you gonna see when you look in your cart?
I don't know.
You just got canned. Now get the piss out my office. And don't let the door piss me off on the way out.